One second, I'm trying to see if Lane Bryant still has this sale going on. And they do. Hey guys, this is Gabby of Truly Gab, and I am here with yet another video for you guys. You are seeing me correctly, okay? I do have some beautiful, beautiful blonde hair. No, this is not my hair. This is actually a wig that I am doing a wig review on, so stay tuned for that. The link below, the link will be below once I post that video, but your girl switched her style up just a little bit, just for something different, something fun. It's winter time and it's been really gray and gloomy, so I just wanted to freshen up my look a little bit without being dramatic and dyeing my own hair. But this video is not about my hair whatsoever. But if you are interested, just stay tuned as there will be a video about it. This video is actually going to be about boots because I have been looking for some wide calf boots, some stretch ankle boots, and thank God I found them because it's tough sometimes finding some boots that will really fit a thick ankle or a thick calf. So I've actually found some, and surprisingly, I found them at Lane Bryant, and I actually sort of kind of feel a little disrespected by Lane Bryant because this is the reason why. I did not know Lane Bryant has swag like they have swag. Like, Lane Bryant shoes are on point. I originally thought that Lane Bryant was going to be for like a more mature, older, someone like my mom in their 50s, early 40s, you know, someone more casual look, or older, more mature look. But honey, for the 20-somethings, and yes, I am a 20-something, Lane Bryant, it has some really cute shoes. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I found. I actually found my shoes on their clearance site. They had a buy one, get one free clearance shoes. Yes, no lie, no joke. They had buy one, get one free clearance. I just checked. It's not buy one, get one free anymore, but it is 50% off their clearance shoes. And I'm gonna leave the link down below for all of the shoes that I found. So let's go ahead and get ready. The first shoe that I'm gonna show you are these. These are a stretch ankle cabernet boot. And also there is a try on with these shoes too. So just watch the try on because me holding these up again does no justice. These boots are amazing. And what I love about these boots is that they do have the stretchy material right at the top of them. I got these in 11 wide. And I probably should have gotten them in a 10 wide because they are a little big, but it's okay though. I can put on thick boots with them. But these are so cute and they zip up in the back as well. So you're gonna have enough room at the ankle area because of that stretch material. And this color is just gorgeous. Like, this is just very, very cute, very beautiful. And with the wooden heel, it just gives you all of the casual look that you need. I'm definitely gonna be rocking these to work. But I absolutely love these boots and they are comfortable. And also it has a pointed toe, but keep in mind that it's not tight whatsoever at the pointed toe area because it is a wide width boot. So whenever you're looking for your wide width boots, you definitely want to make sure you have some stretch at the ankle and that it is wide enough at the at your toe area so that your foot isn't cramped up in there, and that you do have enough room to rock these boots. So I absolutely love these boots. On my try on, I did pair these up with some just some regular distressed blue jeans that I got from Old Navy like 2 years ago. So but anyway, I am definitely going to be rocking these boots to work, even with I think I'm gonna wear them with a jean skirt that I have as well. But absolutely love these boots. And again, the link is down below for these exact type boots. They had them in black too. I may actually go back and order them black now that I see how beautiful these are. I absolutely love these boots. So the next pair of boots that I am going to show you are these luxurious velvet. Yes, Lane Bryant has velvet boots. That's why I said Lane Bryant is appealing to the 20-something crowd, you know what I mean? So these are these over the knee velvet black boots. And when I say they are over the knee, girl, like, no lie, these boots go all the way up my thigh. Like, they are just gorgeous. And they are velvet. So right now velvet is trending, at least I think it is. For me, it's trending. So I'm gonna rock these. And so they do have at the back of these boots, they do have an adjustable string. So if you do need a little bit more room at the calf area, that's fine. Just adjust the strap and then tighten it up wherever you want it to fit you more securely at. So I absolutely love these boots, and they're not that high whatsoever. So it does have a thicker heel. So if you are worried about being steady on your feet and want that comfort, these are definitely the high boots that you want to get. And again, the toe part is rounded at the end, but again, it's a wide width shoe, so you do have room at the base of the foot. And I just tell you, these boots are sexy. And on the try on, I just had on a actually had on this outfit that I have on now. It's a dress actually, and I just put it up so mama don't think I don't have on any clothes, because I do. But I just put it on with this dress, and it was perfect with it. Like, these boots are definitely going to get some wear, especially since we're in the winter time anyway. If you want to go out with your girlfriends, go out to brunch, these are some really cute, comfortable boots to wear. And again, they do stretch at the calf, so you're going to be okay, ladies, with these boots. And wearing these with jeans, wearing these with skirts, wearing these with a dress, these are definitely going to be a go-to pair of boots. All right, so the next pair of boots that I got, yes, are these faux suede ankle boots. Again, just trying to be a little bit trendy and a little bit different with these boots right here. Again, these are the ankle boots, and they do give you a lot of stretch at the ankle. So be confident when you wear these, if you decide to get these, that you will be comfortable in these boots. Again, I got these in 11 wide. All my shoes are in 11 wide. I definitely could have sized down in these, but again, they work for me. The heel is probably my favorite. It is this thick, chunky heel, so I am going to be comfortable wearing these for an all-day event or all-day outing. And again, the base of the foot is wide enough too that I'm not gonna have any issues with wearing these boots. And the good thing is that they do zip up on the side as well. So I absolutely love these boots, and they are different. My mom would definitely say that these is something that I would definitely wear. No one else in my family would dare wear this, but me, this is me all the way. And so I am definitely gonna go ahead and get some use out of these boots right here. And again, they are definitely comfortable, and I would definitely recommend these. You can even wear these with a thick pair of socks if you needed to. If that floats your boat, if you needed to wear a thick pair of socks, because that's how much they stretch. Like, you're gonna get so much wear out of these boots. Push your pants leg down in here, because these are definitely enough stretch. That's more stretch than you would ever need. All right, and so the last and final pair of boots that I got is, I love these boots as well. I love all of them, but these right here I definitely do love as well. These are these stretch ankle, Castle White is the color of these, but stretch ankle boots, and they are a wedge. So these boots, again, just to go along with the other boots, you're gonna have enough stretch in these boots. So definitely feel comfortable and confident when wearing these boots, and you have that wedge there. So if you are a type of person that don't like to wear heels, you like everything to be even, these are the boots that you would want to get, because they are a wedge boot and they're not that high. They're giving you enough length, or enough height, excuse me, but these boots are just gorgeous and very casual. You can dress them up, you can wear them casual. My plan is, like always, to wear them to work, since we wear casual clothing to work. So I am gonna get enough wear out of these boots as well. Also wear them to church. But anyway, these boots are amazing, and comfort is definitely key when I picked out these boots. And so I am happy with these. And again, this color is a castle white. The zipper is on the side, ladies, so you will have ample enough room to go ahead and get your foot in there. And if you do have a thicker ankle like I do, no problem whatsoever, you will find comfort. All right guys, well that is it. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys really do go out to Lane Bryant and find some of these shoes. Like, I was surprised to see the selection that they have. My in-store Lane Bryant, or the actual store location here where I live out in Charlotte, they don't carry shoes, so I never knew that Lane Bryant was hip on their shoe game, but they really are. These shoes are comfortable. They're thick for they're wide enough if you have thick ankles as well as thick calves, and you will feel comfortable with them, and you will be trendy as well, because these shoes are, as what I would like to say, fashion forward as well. And if you are new to this channel, again, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, and comment. I always comment back because I love to talk to you guys on here. So definitely stay tuned for more content to come, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.